Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're going to be talking about a humongous mother of all crashes that could be happening very shortly, and we're going to be talking how this huge crash could be orchestrated by the Fed out there, and what you should do to safeguard your crypto, what you should do to safeguard everything out there. So we're going to be jumping into that and much more. So if that sounds interesting, let's go right now. Don't forget to remember, this ain't financial advice. This is OG, just express my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So what are we seeing right now? Absolutely, what are we seeing? We're seeing that the Asian markets are down like crazy right now. We are seeing that the U.S. pre-markets are also down pretty much. Don't forget, in the U.S. the markets have been doing pretty good. So it's okay to be having a little bit of a downward, things going down. But we are seeing that some of the earnings have not come out as expected. And one of the big earnings that everybody's been looking for is the Tesla earnings. So it looks like the Tesla earnings basically came in less than expected, so that wasn't helping at all. And so it is what it is. But something interesting, he did have this interview today with Bloomberg, and he did talk about Twitter, and he said, and I quote, in response to a different question, Musk also talked about his pending acquisition of Twitter, saying, I think, and this is Elon Musk, he's saying, I think it's an asset that has a sort of languished for a long time, but has incredible potential. He later added the long-term potential for Twitter in order of magnitude is greater than its current value. So what he's saying is that he's once again telegraphing to all of us that he's going to be buying Twitter, and that is absolutely going to be huge for Dogecoin. That's going to be huge for the whole community out there. So I'm getting pretty excited about that, and I think it's just a matter of time, a matter of days before we get that official announcement that is going to be coming out to all of us out there that he will be buying Twitter. So that is pretty cool. What else is coming in? You guys know that China offshore yuan falls to a fresh record low, guys. So fiat is trash, guys, and it looks like the DXY is just continuing to go uppity up again. The DXY is now at 113.084, and that is another reason why we're seeing that the cryptocurrencies are going down, and one, because the Nasdaq is going down because earnings are bad, but also we're seeing that it's also being accelerated even more out there because the DXY is also bad. Also, it looks like mortgage rates are now higher than in 2008 financial crisis. It looks like just in a 30-year mortgage rates hit 7.22%. That's a 22-year high, guys. So wow, woo. If you take a look at what's going on with the fear and greed, let me give this a minute to refresh out there. We are seeing that the fear and greed is unchanged from yesterday. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator, but I'm going to be talking to you about something that might scare you. It might, make you lose your lunch out there. But guys, a mother of all crashes could be coming, and this could be, orchestrated by the Fed out there. So, guys, we're going to be talking about that. So you're going to have to buckle up, and guys, put your big boy pants on for that one, guys, because it's going to be scary out there. So if you take a look at the whole crypto markets right now, we're seeing everything is down, down. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 1%, and you know what time it is. I know what time it is. It's time to protect the eyes from the glare of the red out there. And we got Annabelle. She fell off the wall yesterday in my previous video. So guys, go back and watch that video. It's right up there from yesterday, guys. Go watch it. It's a very amazing video. You're gonna love it out there. So yeah, Annabelle fell off the wall, and Dino is trying to hurt her up to get her back on the wall out there. So let's wait for that, and it's gonna be some great expectations out there from that perspective. So we're seeing Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, and BNB is down as well. And the crypto bubbles are looking nasty out there. A lot of red out there. If you take a look at the total market cap, it's down about 1.4%, and it's about 9.22 billion out there. What else is coming in? Bitcoin creates a new all-time high, but it's not price related. And what that is we're talking about the number of addresses with 10,000 to 100K Bitcoin has just reached an all-time high. So that is pretty bullish, guys. That is bullish. Guys, keep watching. We still got some that mother of all crashes to talk about. Tesla reveals that none of their 10,700 Bitcoin was sold in Q3 2022. So that is pretty good that Tesla is still holding firm its Bitcoin. Bitcoin small to mid-sized addresses holding 0.1 to 10 Bitcoin hold an all-time high of 15.9%. So we're seeing that, whales holding a ton of Bitcoin is still, they're still holding. It's hit an all-time high. We're still also seeing the shrimps and minnows out there also hitting all-time high. So it looks like the conviction of the Bitcoin holders is just insane, guys. So guys, get ready, buckle up. I think that we could be seeing a mother of all crashes coming in, and we saw that in 2018. We had a very similar pattern. Then we saw this huge crash, guys. I think we could be seeing something else, guys. So I'm a little bit worried about this one, accumulating some dry powder on the side. The markets are a trap for November. Fed is going to go light November 1st or 2nd with interest rates. So I think that we could be seeing a 0.25 basis points to help with the elections for you know who out there. Because don't forget, we have the November midterms coming in. I think this could be the bait for the markets to think that the Fed is done or seeing that they might be closer to easing up on the rates, guys. So I think that's what we're going to see. I think that the rates are going to come in, the interest rates are going to come in much lighter than expected. And when that happens, we're going to see that the markets are going to go up, but it's only going to be a hard hit starting back up in November. Watch out for the hype crypto charts. So, basically what I'm saying here is that, we could be seeing the basis point is going to be 0.25 because who wants to look good for the midterms, and then in December we're going to see a lot of kind of hype charts. Everything's looking fine, but I believe what we could be seeing the mother of all crashes out there, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you think that this is just a setup for midterms, or are we going to be seeing things reversing to the upside, or are we going to see a mother of all crashes, guys? I think we could be seeing a mother of all crashes, but I think that by Q1 next year we could see things coming back to normal, and we could see things going up. So I think in the short term, between now and midterms, we could start to see some positivity out there, but get prepared for a mother of all crashes out there. So it looks like, as you guys know, 91.35% of all Bitcoin that has ever been mined has already been mined, guys. So with that percent of the fiat currency that will ever be printed has already been printed, guys. So guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Absolutely don't sleep on Bitcoin. It is not a good thing out there. Also, too, we're seeing that the miners outflow, or the number of miners selling their Bitcoin has reached an all-time low as well. So that is pretty bullish. That is pretty positive. We're seeing that Bitcoin exchange flow is also, we're seeing more and more Bitcoin flowing off exchange. So that is also positive as well out there. What else is coming in? Distribution of Bitcoin nodes. You can see a lot of Bitcoin nodes in America and Europe. The rest of the world pretty quiet out there. So that is what that's all about. So we can see that right now we can see that most of the top stocks like Tesla, we're seeing that the social sentiment is around about 54 out there, and the overall markets are pretty bullish out there. Let's jump into Bitcoin. Let's jump into Dogecoin. What is going on with Dogecoin right now? So right now we're seeing, if we look at the risk gauge for Dogecoin, it is looking pretty okay out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is just going sideways at 0.590. It's a bit of a crabby walk out there, but we could be seeing that Dogecoin price continues to consolidate, but a move above this level could fuel a rally. So what this is all talking about is that if Dogecoin can get above 7 cents, we could see a huge rally coming for Dogecoin, and that is a huge area of resistance that we need to get past. If we can see 0.7 cents, the bulls will take over, and we'll see a reversal to the upside. So I'm still thinking that right now that Dogecoin is still a huge chance and a huge great pickup, guys. So we're seeing that Dogecoin is down about 1.24%. We're seeing the market cap is up 21% at $291 million, guys. And the market cap is still shy of $8 billion out there. So I wouldn't be worrying about it too much, guys. I would not be worrying about it too much. Once I said, if Dogecoin can get itself above 7 cents, we could see a nice rally and could fuel a huge rally to the upside. So that is cool beans in-house. Let's take a look at what's going on with BTC right now. BTC is just at our $19,000 purple rain line. So hopefully that will continue, and hopefully we can get a reversal of the upside, guys. But watch out in December, after we have the midterms, we could absolutely be seeing the mother of all crashes for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So hold on for that, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin on the weekly has formed 2 weekly candles, so that is not looking good out there at all. Shiba Inu is also going down, down. We're seeing on the 4-hour, did have a huge spike, was supported at the 0.948 level. We have bounced up from that, but right now we're seeing that Shiba Inu is not looking good. It's not looking good right now. It is at 0.988 out there, and it's added another 0. Shiba Inu, what is going on out there? We're also seeing right now that Ethereum is also breaking down, and we have some support at 1266. I believe we're going to break down through this support, and watch out for the mother of all crashes, guys and gals. So I know that you're probably not feeling too good out there. Once again, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. I would appreciate it if you'd show some love with super chats and super thanks, guys. And if you feel so inclined and you're just watching for the first time, do subscribe, guys and gals. So watch out for the mother of all crash. That's all I got. Peace out.